good morning students. Children, waste is something we want to throw away. We all throw waste, isn't it? Wherever we are. We at home, while cooking food, we cut the vegetables and those peels are thrown in the dustbin. There are a number of food packets, or we buy different food products from the market where we get some, they are packed in either in a packet or a tin or in a glass. We throw those things, isn't it? In school also, think about the waste products which are generated every day. You sharpen your pencil and throw it. Sometimes you do something wrong in the notebook and you feel that that paper is to be thrown out. You throw that. So even the food you eat in the school, the tiffin you eat, the whatever the things you eat and the other leftover you throw it. Okay. Then there are waste in the form of dry leaves, or maybe the leaves that have fallen down from the trees, or maybe the animals also. We animals produce waste, our natural waste, that is called that human or animal feces. Okay, the waste products which we give out. So in this way, waste is generated every day. Tons and tons of waste is generated every day, children. And we generate waste at home, in school, in offices, even in offices and in factories and industries, of course. Whenever a product is being made, there is a number of waste which is generated and it is thrown out. So we are responsible for disposing this waste in a proper way. Waste should be managed properly, children. Now if we take the waste which is generated every day, and as I told you, tons and tons of waste is generated, huge amount of waste is generated every day. And there are, we can divide it into two categories. They are called biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. So types of waste if you take, one is biodegradable and one is non-biodegradable. Now if you take biodegradable, that means it is, you can understand that with our atmosphere, with our environment, it degrades. Degrades means they mix with the soil. Of course, over a period of time, they are not mixing with the soil immediately. So, whatever waste products which ultimately mix with the soil and they become, like a manure or fertilizers, and they turn into even to the minerals. As you know, we have studied that minerals are made over millions of years through the dead plants and animals. So biodegradable waste, they rot very easily, like your food products. Just imagine you had eaten a banana and that banana peel you have thrown in the dustbin. We don't eat banana peel, the skin of the banana. So that peel, you throw it in the dustbin, and from dustbin it goes to the dumping yard, the place where the waste are dumped. And this banana peel will mix easily and rot. Actually it rots. Rots means kharab ho jata hai. It starts giving you bad smell. You must have seen many a times that vegetables or fruits, they due to period of time, or maybe it is due to humidity or moisture, they have rotten. Rotten means they are not in a proper shape to be eaten. And there is, you can see fungus in it and it has rotten. So actually what happens, children, bacteria, they mix with this waste and they make it rotten, And when it is rotten, there is microorganisms in it, and they slowly they are decomposed, means nothing is there, and they mix with the soil. So this is biodegradable waste. Waste will be generated, of course. There will be waste. You can't say that you stop the waste, but this biodegradable waste products are those things which rot easily and mix with the soil. So, but the non-biodegradable, by understanding by the word non means you understand that it is not biodegradable, it is not mixing with the soil. Take the example of plastic or glass, or a tin, like cans, you eat cold drinks and all that. And plastic, we all use plastics for many purposes, and after the purpose is over, we throw the plastic in the dustbin, whether it is a packet, whether it is means you have used it as a bag, or you have used as a container, anything, and we throw that in the dustbin, and then from the dustbin it goes to the dumping here. But children, I tell you, they do not mix with the soil. They remain in the, they are not environment friendly, and they are not there is no actually rotten part. The plastic doesn't rot, and if it doesn't rot, there will be no microorganisms like bacteria mixing and making it mixing with the soil. So they remain in the soil, in our earth, for years after years, and that is how they are not recycled, and they are not, you cannot use it again, and they do not decompose, and they remain in the environment and they pollute them. So non-biodegradable waste is very harmful, like plastic, glass, even silver foil which you use for wrapping your food products. These are all very, very harmful for the environment. Thank you.